back to my channel with me, Glambe, and today is that exciting episode. Last week I promised to declutter with you, and decluttering I shall deliver. What is decluttering, in case you missed it? It's when we go into our closet and we sort our clothes out. I'm actually now in summer, but if you are in winter, it should apply the same. So I've already separated my summer clothes from my winter clothes, and this is the closet that I use every day. Now, I am so ashamed because it's chaotic. Whoops. It is very chaotic. I kind of just let it get a little bit out of control for the last week. So please don't judge me or judge away. Have fun. Let's get started. Are you ready? Let's go. As you guys can see, this is my space. This is my husband's space. And yeah, he's very neat compared to me. Whoops. So this is how bad it can get. If this is you, do not feel ashamed. We are one. We are the same. So let's get started. It's crazy in here. So first thing is we're gonna take everything out bit by bit and decide what we're keeping, what we're donating, and what's a maybe. I'm gonna take all of this out, just dump it on the floor. Like all my dreams. I'm just kidding. Okay, so here we are. I'm really just... Oh, I've been wondering where that was. You see what things you can find? I've been looking for this bag everywhere. And obviously I couldn't find it because this closet is chaotic, like me and my soul. Right, so I'm just gonna dump all that. What is that? Oh, this crop top. Oh, gosh. Okay, so we're just gonna take everything out. Oh, yes. By the way, I do recommend this little bag. I don't know if you guys can see what this is, but it has like lavender and herbs in it that keep fleas or termites away from your clothes, and it smells really good. If you would like to know where to get it, you can get this on Amazon, and it's very good to keep in your closet. So I'm just going to return that back in there. Right, let's first start with this top shelf, and then we move on to the second shelf. All right, so here we have these shorts, also very important for capsuling in the summer. You can dress them up and down. Up, definitely not to the office, but for a night out, you can pair these up with some cute heels or a sneaker. So definitely we're keeping these. I tried them on, they still fit. Right, so I'm gonna put that over here. All right, so I'm going to divide my clothes with denims, including long ones and short ones, light and dark on the one side. So these are my jeans. I don't know if you guys remember these. I've worn them in a couple of my pictures. I love these. They're so cute. So I definitely want to keep those. When you are choosing what clothes to keep, ask yourself two things. A, do they still fit? B, are they still a part of your style? If it is yes to both questions, you definitely keep them. Right? So my style personality, I so discovered, is that I'm a mixture of all, but mostly dramatic and creative. I never feel that I'm too dressed up for any occasion. I feel I want to dress how I want to dress. So here we go. We're just going to carry on with that. Now these jeans I really love. I think I got them from Hollister. I mean, I know the brand is a bit problematic, but I only watched that Netflix documentary when it was too late. So, but anyway, I really like these. And it's an ultra high rise mom jean, so I definitely want to get this again. But look here, I was so devastated. They have a little hole right by my lady area, so I definitely can't keep them anymore. So this is going to go into the donate pile. Obviously, I'm gonna try sew the hole before I donate. Just remember, guys, if you're giving something away, it doesn't mean it has to be in a shady condition. Do try and give away things that still look good. So I'm definitely going to fix that, right? So this is going into the donate pile. All right. So I'm sifting through here for more jeans or jean-like pants, and I found these cute ones. And I still wear them. I'm definitely keeping these. These are from Zara long ago. I think I was in university. So I've had these for a couple of years. I just find it so cute with these beautiful nautical stripes. Definitely something that you can dress up or down with a blazer or a cool little tank top. So I'm definitely keeping this one for our capsuling. and this goes into the keep pile. So you can see it's much clearer. I see what's going on. Let's move on. Okay, hunt for more denim. Hunt, hunt, hunt. So I'm not finding any more denims. And I'm just going to have a quick look-see over here in my bottom pile. Oh gosh, this is just horrible. Alright, I'm going to include my cute little jumpsuit. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's so adorable. I love it for the summer. Very comfortable. It's an off-shoulder. I'm going to keep this with the rest of the pants because of the material. Then I know what it looks like. I know where it is. So I'm just going to put that along with the pants. Okay. My folding skills are a bit sketchy, but kind of proud of myself. It's going pretty well. Alright, here I have these white chinos. I don't even know where I got them from. It's a part of the denim collection. So I'm going to put these as well. That's a nice staple for a capsule closet because you can definitely wear these to work. You can wear them with a formal shirt or something like this. By the way, I got this top from Zara for €5, similar to the one I showed you guys in my Monday Q&A. So we're definitely going to keep this. All right. So far it's going pretty well, I think. And that's it for... Okay, one more. These shorts are so pretty. I love them. But I tried to get them past my thighs. And they're not getting past the thighs. So as much as I love them, I have to let them go because this booty does not fit in here anymore. So this is definitely going to the donate pile. As you guys can see, these are still so cute. I'm going to put that... I'm going to give that away. Alright, let's have another look if there's something else we can see. So I'm not just going for long pants, but I like to sort out my clothes with materials. So I'm going to stick to the denim. This is a skirt. It's like a mom skirt. I love it so much. It has like a cool 80s vibe. I'm going to keep that as well. Still fits. Makes my booty look great. So that goes here as well. These are for winter. Actually, they remind me a lot of Aaliyah style with these pockets. So this should actually not be here because it's for winter. So I'm going to keep it, but I'm going to store it somewhere else with my other winter clothes. Definitely too hot to wear in the summer. Okay. So it looks like that's round about it for the first pile. Let's move on to tops, t-shirts, and yeah, let's start there. Okay, so you guys can see we're finished with our first pile. We're now going to move on to tops, right? So stuff like this, tank tops, very important to have basics for capsuling. Like I said, they really work with anything to dress up or dress down. By dress up, I mean you can pair it off with a blazer and some heels, to dress down with a sneaker or a nice sandal. So I really like these basics because they pretty much go with everything. And they make your boobs look great. Okay, so if you guys hear me breathing heavily, it's because there's a mountain here. I mean, I wish I could show you, but the camera's on the tripod. But trust me, there's a mountain. Okay, basic one. Oh my gosh, this still has a price tag. I'm just gonna take that off. I'm so ashamed. Okay, so we have this first basic. Now, since I'm going to wear this more frequently, I'm actually gonna wear it next week when I go on vacation. I'm going to put it at the top. So when you are sorting out your clothes, make sure to put the clothes that you will wear but maybe not immediately at the bottom, and the ones that you wear daily or more often at the top. This makes it easier for you to reach in the morning. Remember, we're going for ease and we're going for functionality. Okay, so I'm definitely going to put that at the top. This one too. Technically this is like a sports bra from H&M, but I just love the color and I like wearing it with shorts or a pair of jeans and a nice cool easy jacket. So I'm going to keep that at the top because I'm going to need that very soon. All right, same with this one. This one's actually from Zara. I'm going to keep that. Here we have this cute neon crop top. I don't wear that too often because it's still a bit warm, but sometimes the nights can get chilly and I still want to look cute. So I'm going to put that here. I love this. It's a printed top. It has matching pants, but the pants, I don't know, they don't sit that well on me. But I do really like this top, and I do wear it, and it's totally my style personality. How cute is that? I know. So let's definitely keep that. Goes here. So like I said, my folding is a bit shysty. Please don't judge me. Please be nice. If you can fold better, do your thing, you know? Do it for those of us that can't. Okay. Ooh, this is really nice. I got this top from the Reserved. Yep, Reserved. I think it's a German brand. And actually, how cute is this? It's like a halter neck situation. This is definitely a nice staple for your capsule, because like I said, you can dress it up and dress it down. I prefer to dress it up with the nice pencil skirt or formal chinos for work. Here we have another basic, and I'm going to keep that. Alright, let's carry on. Next we have this top. I love it so much. I don't even know where I got it, but I've had it for a couple of years. Let me see where I got it. Real Clothing. Ah, yes! This must be the Pick and Pay brand. Pick and Pay clothing from back home. So I love this. Just look at that. It has such Coachella vibes. And it definitely still fits my style personality. So that's definitely going in the keep pile. I mean, you could hang it if you have enough hangers. I do not. And what's nice is that it has this soft suede material. So it should be easy to store without really wrinkling much. So I love this dress. It reminds me of like a Clueless vibe. But it's a bit too short now because my booty grew. So as much as I love it, it has to go. It has to go. So that's going in the donation pile. Alright, let's see. Aha! This is the white basic tee. Everyone must have this. It really just goes with everything. So we're going to put that there. At the top. Actually, I want that a bit closer because I'm going to wear it. I love this top. But I should admit, I haven't worn it in a while. As pretty as it is, I mean, look at those stripes. It's just not something I would wear anymore. So this is getting donated. Oh, it's so hard to let go, you know, but you have to. You gotta let go. Gotta let go. Shibidi-bidi. This is also cute. It's like a little wraparound, but yeah, not really my style anymore. I don't know if you guys can see. It's one of those that tie around, so I'm gonna let that go as well. It's really hard because I really like these clothes, but I have to think, is it something that I would wear often? Even though it fits, is it a part of my style personality? And I think not. Not anymore. Top, I still like this. And you can totally wear this to the office with a nice blazer or waistcoat situation. I got this from JJ's. Oh my word, do you guys remember JJ's in South Africa? Wow. Yep. I'm gonna keep that. It's a nice basic, nice silk material, so we should keep that for sure. Alright, so I'm gonna put that at the top. These are my, see, it still has price tags. I wouldn't have found this. These are like my gym clothes, but the material is so nice. You can definitely wear this when you're walking around the city or on vacation. I'm going to keep that, just not there. We're going to make a different pile for that. So I put this in keep. I'm going to put it somewhere else. Oh, fantastic. We have this cute tube top. Also a nice summer basic. I got this from Zara. Has some 90s vibes to it. I'm definitely going to keep that. And it still fits. So let's keep that there. Okay, actually, in the next episode, I want to talk about storage or dividers. I think that would keep my closet a lot neater. I will have a look on Amazon and we'll do that together. But so far, it's looking good, right? I know, I'm so proud of myself. Okay, good. Let's carry on, guys. I finally found this skirt. It's like the blue one, but in black. I mean, can we just, how cute is that? I'm going to keep this. And yes, it does still fit. And it makes mama's booty look great. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Isn't that so cute? I think so. And it's kind of like a black denim. So, It's going in the denim pile. Okay, here we have another top. Mustard yellow, definitely one of my colors for my season. And I just want to show you guys, it's like a cute little halter neck. Great for the summer, and the material is so soft. I don't know if you guys can see. It's so soft. I love it. Okay guys, so over here I just decided to fast forward, or we'll be here the whole day. I'm just repeating what I did with the first pile. Obviously we're sorting out through skirts and homeware, including gym wear or t-shirts that you just wear when you're chilling. So this is pretty much the same as the first shelf. I just sort of wanted to go through it with you, but obviously I don't want the video to take so long, and especially uploading will be so long, and I want to get this to you guys on time. So here you can see I'm just going through the leftover clothes. That's jumpsuits, skirts, easy dresses. You can sort it out whichever way you want. Just remember, sort it out according to functionality, if it's part of your style, personality, and make sure that you do wear it and it fits well. Alright guys, I'm so proud of you for decluttering with me. I hope I was able to give you some very good tips. I'm going to quickly show you some of the things that I've chosen to donate, to give away to a thrifting store or to a charity. Yeah, so let me just show you. I'm going to tell you the reasons why I'm giving it away. So the first one is these. Remember the top and somewhere here, this one? So technically that's a set, but the pants just look sort of weird, and my sewing skills are not that great, and altering your clothes in Germany is so expensive. They charge you so much, quadruple what you paid for your clothes. So I'm going to give that away. Hopefully it will fit somebody better. It definitely doesn't fit me. These shorts I loved, and I'm not even sure where they were from. Too small for me now, and that's like in 6 months, so giving those away. You remember these white ones? I had 2 pairs and I didn't even know. And also these shoes are still new, as you can see. Giving them away because I don't wear them. I don't really wear them. Here, love these pants, but just a wee bit too tight around the waist. But I just really love the color, so I'm gonna look for something similar. And the material was so nice, kind of cottony, and definitely something you can dress up. Sorry guys, they're not ironed, but I hope you can see. I just love this detail, and it's like a flared leg. Too small, gotta go. But I just wanted to show you guys the results of our decluttering. That's how much we've made space for in our closet. So right now, I mean, yes, it doesn't look like much, but that's a lot of progress. Okay, so I'm gonna be thinking about some storage ideas on how to have some dividers. In the next episode, we're going to quickly go through shoes, and we're going to take the shoes and sort of see how we can incorporate them into our capsule, what goes with what. Thank you so much for decluttering with me, Glam Bay. Do drop a comment. Please do this. And if you do it, tell me, do you feel freer? How does it feel? What did you achieve? If you want to actually, share your journey thus far, please do so. It's so nice for me to hear feedback. For more, please follow me on Instagram at glambay_official. For more of these episodes, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And follow, subscribe, do all the things. All right, from me to you, have a fabulous day. Bye.